Most desserts, they literally destroy my stomach. And I have been trying different things for so long. And I finally came up with a 2-minute dessert that is no bake. It is simple and it satisfies your sugar craving and it's decadent. Let me show you how to make this. So I have IBS-D, colitis, no gallbladder, and I have a sugar intolerance. A lot of things going against me, but I love cake. I love ice cream. I love cookies. I love all the things that I can't eat. So instead of suffering after eating those things and not wanting to gain weight, my sugar craving has never really disappeared. But I've experimented enough now that I've come up with this one thing that is just lovely on your stomach. You start off with a little glass bowl, very important, small portion, but makes you feel like you're indulging. I also eat with a teaspoon. Why? Because it makes you feel like you're getting more than you really are. It's a mind thing, okay? Plus it makes me feel cozy and it's just yummy to eat that way. You grab some frozen blueberries, about a half a cup, you put them inside that glass bowl, and I microwave mine for about 20 seconds. This just makes the blueberries soften a little bit. They're still cold, they're still intact, but it just gives them that little bit of defrost, little slight defrost. I use the lactose-free Fudgy yogurt. I put about 3 to 4 tablespoons on top of the blueberries. I use just a tad bit of heavy whipping cream. That whipping cream is just a small amount. It's about a tablespoon, a splash, and it gives this dessert just that decadence that you're looking for. I use a lot of cinnamon or allspice. I like the allspice, but there's benefits in using either one. It makes you feel like you're eating something just yummy and I don't know, like a warm pumpkin pie or something. It's delicious. And then I use the 100% cacao dark chocolate chips. I use about a tablespoon on top. And then of course my little whipping cream that I put on top, which is very, very small amounts. Now, why does this dessert work for somebody like me with all the intolerances? It's low FODMAP. Those blueberries are low FODMAP. They're anti-inflammatory and they're well tolerated by people that have IBS. The lactose-free yogurt is a probiotic. It improves IBS symptoms, but it has to be plain. And then, of course, the cinnamon and the allspice, it supports your digestive tract. It reduces bloating, and it's a natural sweetener. And then, of course, the heavy cream, it just gives it that little bit of indulgence. And then the cocoa chips on top, the little cacao chips, there's no sugar. There's no nothing in them. There's no emulsifiers. It's not dairy. There's no soy. There's no wheat. There's no egg. There's no gluten. There's no nuts. There's no peanuts. It's just pure, clean cacao, and it satisfies the chocolate craving when you mix it in with the yogurt and the cream and the blueberries. It's just decadent. This may not work for everybody, but I can promise you, if you do it exactly the way I'm telling you and you try it, let me know in the comments what you think of it. And let me know if you have your own dessert for stomach intolerances, what works for you, because I've been searching high and low, and this one is a game changer. I have had no flare-ups eating this. I eat it practically every single night. It's a simple no-bake dessert. Comment below, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, if you want to talk more about chronic gut issues and skin and living your life with purpose at our ripe old age, or my old age of 59. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.